birthday party right now. Oh, I'm sorry, Amanda Walsh, but this is not gonna work. I'm gonna do this right now. For that, I'm gonna fight you. You have never been my best friend in a sense. I've got for forcing people to send your request in. Now. That was just weird, man.